Organic matter important in the decomposition process. It makes nutrients available and releases them for plant use. It makes that soil more workable and viable out there as far as being able to handle that soil when we're planting and doing any type of tillage or anything like that. We get good organic matter, we get less crusting, less compaction. It makes it harder to compact out there. So it handles drought stress better and better water intake or holding capacity. It gives it sponge-like properties. So think about a sponge and the amount of water it can hold and the conditions that we get out of that sponge. And if I look at a soil test and I have a 4% organic matter, I know I can hold a lot of water and I have a lot of room as a consultant, have a lot of room to work on a 4% organic matter soil because I have a lot of forgiveness, a lot of carbon in here that's going to release nutrients and hold water and let roots grow. We treat a 4% organic matter different than we do a 1%. We have a 1% organic matter soil. I know I don't have the water holding capacity. I don't have the forgiveness. I got to bring my A game as a consultant. You've figured out a long time ago on those tough, light timber soils, you got to treat them different. They can't be treated the same as a 4%. As we look at fields like we have here in the Will County field, we have 1%, we have 2%, we have 4% organic matter soils in the same field. And to farm these efficiently is when we need to bring in the 4R concept and start thinking about variable rating our limestone so we don't overlime and our phosphorus and our population and that type of thing. So again, think of organic matter as telling me, your consultant, how big a sponge we got to work with. What's my nutrient and water holding capacity out there? And it's part of a fingerprint. We would not expect a Birkbeck silt loam soil to come in with a soil organic matter value of 4. We're going to expect a 1.5 to a 2 at the top end. If it came back with a 4, we would think that something's wrong. That's not a fingerprint for that soil. We wouldn't expect a blunt sand to come in with a 4% organic matter. So we look at that fingerprint when we're looking at your soil test, say, does the organic matter match up? And if it's wrong, maybe the map's wrong, maybe our soil tester's wrong, but there should be a range that those soils fall into when it comes to organic matter.